What is up, business successors? It is Cole and welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys some more content on Dungeon Quest. And yeah, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be grinding boss raids until I get a legendary. Now, if you don't know what boss raids is, it's something you can only access through lobby 2 or in private servers for some apparent reason. But yeah, here's boss raids. You have to be level 130 for it. If you can create or join a boss raid. If you I'll explain boss raids later, but yeah, we're just going to go into the highest tier just in case you get high armor. And I just got a really good idea because I saw a video saying someone grinding boss raids and they got a legendary, and I was like, wait, what if I just grind boss raids until I get a legendary? Well, I don't know what I'm grinding this for, honestly. I'm just trying to get some rare collectibles or something. Yeah, it says my tier 30 key is removed, so I have to beat this boss for it to not be removed anymore. So literally all I have to do is watch this. Oh, that didn't work. I'm just gonna wait here because they barely do any damage to me. Look, I'm barely taking any damage. Die. Well, no legendary. Oh yeah, I forgot I get one item. Oh god, this is gonna take so long. I mean, I've gotten 2 or 3 legendaries from my few months of grinding boss raids before, or weeks or whatever. I don't know. Yeah. So that was the first boss raid. So we're going to be doing that until I get a legendary, and it's just one boss for level 130. It's the dungeon. It's the boss has an extreme amount of health. It adds up to the health of the mobs and the boss from one dungeon, or not really. I was about to say you get what I mean, but you don't. There's a buffed version of the final boss in Steampunk Sewers, the first tier, and then tier 30 is the best one. And I once got disconnected while doing a tier 30, so I had to do tier 29 to actually get this key back. Because when you do a certain tier, when you do your highest tier, the key gets removed. You have to beat it for it to get the next tier, or whatever. It's confusing, I know, but yeah, it has directions on the boss raid thing. Yeah, and there are different bosses. This is one of my favorites. Golden Golem. I like this one. Yeah, that's a one-shot line, by the way. Just saying, no matter how much HP you have, he's just gonna pull you into himself, and then he's just gonna punch you to death or something. I don't know. Yeah, we beat it. So I'm just gonna be doing that for the next hour until I get a legendary. I'm probably gonna do it all in recording too. I wish I knew how to do ×2 speed. That would be so much better. Yeah. Or no, not dungeon. Don't want to do a dungeon at the moment. I want to do a boss raid. Create boss raid. Should we try a different tier? Let's try tier 27. Let's see if that gives us luck. I don't know. I might. Who knows? Tier 27. Yeah, it basically the armor doesn't change at all in boss raids. It's just that it's better the better the better tiers you get. The tiers I think give you the same amount of XP. I don't know, but the gears just get better as the tier goes on. The gears don't change. It's just this gear is from this tier. So that rhymes. This gear is from this tier, so it is a lot better. Yeah. We're fighting different bosses each time, which is kind of cool. Yeah, but you're dead. And I didn't get a legendary. Key upgrade, 20. I already have 28. And yeah, tier 30 is the best one. So yeah, you have to grind a lot to get that rune stone in the lobby, for Excalibur quest. Again, I might do a video talking about it, but I don't know if it's ever going to fully come out. Okay. But we kind of have 15 minutes if I'm doing this entire thing on recording, so It's not a lot of time, okay? If I get a legendary, the video ends, so. Let's actually do tier 1. Let's see if I can get a legendary from tier 1. Yeah, because you can equip a legendary at level 130, not 136 or 135 or whatever. I'm pretty sure you can get a legendary from tier 1, if I'm not mistaken. Which is actually the nice thing about boss raids. You can get all the cool gear quickly without having to be in like Nightmare to equip it. Like, that's the good thing about boss raids. The bad thing about boss raids is that, like, the bosses have so much HP when you're so used to steampunk sewers. So yeah. Tier 1 key is safe, well, obviously. And by the way, to get the tier 1 key, you have to beat Steampunk Sewers Nightmare. And it's like a rare chance to actually get it. Like I actually see it on rare occasions. Like, it's not as rare as a cosmetic, but like it's like I think a 25% chance of getting it. I don't know. Like, it's pretty rare. You might have to do a few runs to actually get it. If you're bad at Steampunk Sewers, will rip. You might have to just like, I honestly don't know. Once you get a key and you get on the tier 2, you're basically safe just grinding for tier 1. But the stupid thing about boss raids is that you can join other people's like high tiers. Like, you can join another person's tier 30 when you're only at like tier 5. Speaking of tier 5, let's just do a tier 5 and get a legendary. I might do some runs off camera. Let's do like 3 more and then I'll do some off camera. And then watch me get a legendary off camera. That'd be so dumb. Like, I get the legendary first try off camera. But yeah, if you want to see what some of these boss raid legendaries look like, because I'm most likely not going to get one in this video. If today was one of the lucky days that I usually have, then I'd probably get one, but hey, I don't know for sure. Let me guys show you some boss raid legendaries. Legendaries like this one. I actually had 2 of these, but I gave one away. This one. Bro, where's my other 2? Or I had like, oh yeah, here's one. So it's like, well, this one, this one, this one. They're random what kind of thing they are. But yeah, the Steampunk Sewers one. Yeah, this is like the Steampunk Sewers map. I don't know if we were just in it. Just T-posing, wow. So beautiful. Okay, look, let's just kill this nerd. Oh, we got Guardian armor, of course. Bruh, imagine getting Guardian armor. Just imagine. Alright, now I'm actually gonna do some runs off camera. Let me just do like 1 more tier 30. Alright. Create tier 30. I want to get a legendary, okay? I probably should be grinding for a cosmetic right now, like the Ghastly cosmetic, because I'm probably going to. I just want a legendary. And I could maybe even turn this into a series, like kind of like Assumptions series. Like, if I get a legendary, the video ends. What do you guys think of that series? Load, come on, bro. Come on, bro, I don't got that much time, okay? I'm a busy businessman in my top hat and monocle. So, Gilded Dragon. I'm not scared of you, bro. Fight me, Gilded Dragon. Die. That's nice. That's so funny. I have no more room to get items. I totally forgot. Well, yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys next time. Yeah, it was a short video. Okay, so he wants to do that to me. Okay, got it. Well, next time I'll hopefully drop a legendary. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.